Hello friends, welcome to course Programming with Python. In this video, we will see Unit 1 of the Programming with Python. Introduction and Syntax of Python Program. This is the title of Unit 1. This is the first lecture of this unit. These are the contents of our today's lecture. After completion of this video, you will be better understood about the introduction of the Python, history of Python, features of the Python, and applications of the Python. So let us start by introduction. Python is high-level, general-purpose, interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented scripting and programming language. Python is designed to be highly readable. It uses English keywords frequently, whereas the other languages use punctuation, and it has fewer syntactical constructions than the other languages. Python is must for the students and working professionals to become a great software engineer, especially when they are working in web development domain. History of Python. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 80s and early 90s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. Python is derived from many other languages including ABC, Modula 3, C, C++, Algol 68, Smalltalk, and Unix Shell, and other scripting languages. Python is copyrighted. Like Perl, Python source code is now available under GNU General Public License (GPL). The GNU GPL is intended to guarantee your freedom to share and change all versions of a program to make sure it remains free software for all its users. Python is now maintained by core development team at the institute, although Guido van Rossum still holds a vital role in directing its progress. Features of Python. Python is interpreted. Python is processed at runtime by the interpreter. You do not need to compile your program before executing it. This is similar to Perl and PHP. Python is interactive. You can actually sit at Python prompt and interact with interpreter directly to write your programs. Python is object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulate code within objects. Platform independent. Python programs can be developed and executed on multiple operating system platforms. Python can be used on Linux, Windows, Macintosh, Solaris, and other more. Python is beginner's language. Python is a great language for the beginner level programmers and support the development of wide range of applications from simple text processing to www browser to game. Easy to learn. Python has few keywords, simple structure, and a clear defined syntax. This allows the students to pick up the language quickly. Easy to read. Python code is more clearly defined and visible to eyes. Easy to maintain. Python source code is fairly easy to maintain. A standard library. Python's bulk of the library is very portable and cross-platform compatible on Unix, Windows, and Macintosh. Portable. Python can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and has the same interface on all platforms. Extendable. You can add low-level modules to the Python interpreter. These modules enable the programmer to add to or customize their tools to be more efficient. Databases. Python provides interface to all major commercial databases. GUI programming. Python supports GUI applications that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries, and Windows system such as Windows MFC, Macintosh, and X Windows system of Unix. Scalable, Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. Application, Python can have application in web development, GUI application, business application, game and 3D graphics, accessing the databases. So this is all about the introduction, history of Python, features of Python and applications. So for this lecture, thank you all.